So today we're on a boat going to look at some potential crocodiles. How exciting is that? So yeah, we're hoping we'll see a few.
So if you see something that interests you, please ask. And as we go down the river, I'll give you a bit of history about the area, explain about our rainforest, and hopefully find some wildlife for you. So feel free to ask questions, everyone. And the good thing about this river, that's as rough as it gets. So it's nice and calm. So let's go see what we can find. Right, so if you look out both sides in the water now, hopefully you'll see some fish and turtles and things.
Well, yeah.
So here we are, we're 318 metres above sea level here, so these are all freshwater species of fish and turtles. And they're all native species as well. Oh, here's a big crack.
Wow.
So yeah, this river, the Bar River, it actually starts from like an extinct volcano as well. If you go about 130 kilometres upstream to our left, there's a big mountain there, Mount Hypipney it's called. It's like a big crater, it's full of water. That's where the Barron River starts. If you flew into Cairns, this is the river you landed over. That's where it goes out to the ocean at the Cairns airport. So it's about 145 kilometres long. Before Earth split up into Gondwana. 180 odd million years. It's actually older than the Amazon. Plants, just so you know how old it is, children, there's plants growing in there that dinosaurs are. That's old. We know they were here. If you go 6 hours west of here, there's dinosaur bones everywhere, so we know they were here.
Wow, one of the oldest tropical rainforests in the world. Check out the sky rail.
Down on their body, the feathers are only on their wings and tail. It's amazing how long that bird can stay over here.
That bird just came right into the boat.
They're probably the most photographed birds in Australia, those two.
Oh, look at it.
They come in when it's raining.
Yeah, I can see it. I can see his head. Yeah. Yeah, I can see it. Oh, we saw one. Oh, good.
It's quite cute, isn't it?
Yeah, it's cute. So silently gliding along. How neat is that? Well done. You did it. You did your job today, didn't you?
I was there in about 1920. So when you go up the top of the stairs, you'll see a board there and a picture of a guy rowing people across the river in his little wooden boat. Well, that's where he used to row them to, and he called it paradise. So it's actually the same in there today as it was 100 years ago.
That was just so fantastic, seeing all that wildlife, this boat, the whole thing was just such a good thing to do. Just showing you a little trip to the ladies. Rather nice train station.
There's a turkey here, Rick.
A bush turkey.
Bush turkey.
Check it out. Right, we're going into a market entrance. Kuranda is the name of the place that we are. And it's a very vibey and sort of alternative sort of place, Zoe says. Very cool, well-being based sort of healing and niceness and yumminess. Cool place.
There was more to see up the other way, wasn't there?
We are in a butterfly house. Whoa, there's loads of them around.
Orange mating on your head.
You have mating. Yeah, they're gone. He did have mating butterflies on his head. It was to give you a shot. It's very hard to catch the butterflies. They're just absolutely everywhere. So pretty. Look at this one. That was one of the most beautiful butterflies I think I have ever seen. Wow, look at this baby. Private activation. Where? Oh, whoa. Is that the moth? Yeah, I think it might be a moth. Could be a moth. Oh my god. Some more beauties.
Female.
Oh, beautiful.
The one we saw, the massive one from back there was the male.
Look at this beautiful plant. Isn't it unusual? Just showing you all these huge things, leaves. Just showing you this beautiful little fairy garden.
Insane fantasy, but it was great to see.
Just a little more of the butterflies. Such beautiful flowers as well. I'm gonna just very slowly put my hand up next to this one so you can see just how big it is. It's absolutely ginormous. Just showing you some of these absolutely huge butterflies. Absolutely huge. Like it's sort of, yeah, like bigger than a hand. I'll show you some of these. And we thought these were just incredible. Look at the iridescent on them. Yeah, I know they're all dead and preserved, but in some ways it is really good just being able to see them. It's beautiful. Wow, look at that one.